Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the DJI Neo Motion Fly More Combo, a mini drone that boasts a 4K UHD camera and a plethora of intelligent features, making it perfect for adults who want a high-quality aerial photography experience. This drone stands out from the crowd with its ability to follow you and track subjects, making it a great choice for those who want to capture stunning footage with minimal effort. Let me break down the specs. The DJI Neo Motion Fly More Combo is equipped with a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 processor chip, which provides seamless performance and efficient battery life. The drone itself weighs 135 g and measures 140 millimeters in length, 85 millimeters in width, and 50 millimeters in height, making it extremely portable. The remote controller, RC Motion 3, features a 5.5-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 1920 pixels, a brightness of 600 nits, and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The drone is powered by a 2,400 mAh battery, which provides up to 2.5 hours of battery life and can be charged at a speed of 30 watts. The camera is a 48-megapixel sensor with a half-inch CMOS sensor, 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, and a field of view of 85 degrees. The drone also features 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which can be expanded via a microSD card slot. In terms of connectivity, the drone supports Bluetooth 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6, with a range of up to 10 kilometers. Special features include palm takeoff, subject tracking, quick shots, and a maximum speed of 46 kilometers per hour. The drone also runs on a customized version of Android 11 and features a USB-C port, a microSD card slot, and a 3.5mm audio jack. In real-world use, the DJI Neo Motion Fly More Combo performs exceptionally well. The battery life is impressive, lasting around 2 hours in real conditions with moderate use. The display on the remote controller is bright and vibrant, even in direct sunlight, making it easy to navigate and adjust settings. When multitasking, the drone's speed and responsiveness are impressive, with minimal lag or delay. The build quality of the drone and remote controller feels premium, with a solid and durable design that can withstand minor crashes and bumps. The audio quality is also clear and loud, making it easy to hear the drone's beeps and alerts. Real-world reviews praise the DJI Neo Motion Fly More Combo for its ease of use, with many users loving the palm takeoff feature, which allows the drone to take off and land safely from the palm of your hand. Users also love the subject tracking feature, which allows the drone to follow and track subjects with ease, making it perfect for capturing stunning footage. Additionally, users praise the quick shots feature, which allows the drone to capture professional-looking footage with minimal effort.